Today I'm going to do a natural interval alongside the Lysaker river. I have arthritis in both knees, and my right knee is long past its due date with a 6-degree slack in it. My plan is to run all the uphills and walk when it's flat and down. And whenever I start, my pulse needs to be 120 or less. Here's a small one. I start with this one. Pulse 125. I walked 1 kilometer first to get a slight warm-up. This trail is approximately 2 kilometers long and with a little more than 100 meters elevation. Let's hope the knee lasts all the way. And now a bit closer to the first small uphill, or medium. So let's go. Okay, 137. I need to get proper warm before I start with the long ones. While my pulse goes down, I'll go up here and start preparing for the Neo. I want to have the Neo to follow me here as well. And my pulse is only 104 now. So let's see then. Can the Neo follow me? Okay, we're ready. Go. Yeah, we're up. And then Mia, come to me. Okay, this one. And here I'll stop to get the pulse down to 120. Okay, 120. A short one, but still 137. Wait until 120. Yeah, 120. The next one will be more challenging. It's longer and it's steep. Okay, I'm already at 120, so it's no time to waste. I have to run this one. Okay, let's go then. Bit of help from the rain is allowed. Oh. 150, 151, 152, 53, 54. And now wait. It's 2 years since I last did this because of my knees. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, 120. Okay, that's good. 139. 144. Need to come down to 120. Yeah, that's good. $137. First down to 120. Yeah. Just keep going on the flat, even though it's not nice on my knee. And then this one. $153. Well, I'm already down at 127, so shouldn't take too long. Yeah, here we are. As you see, it's not only uphill here. Now 141, so I have to wait. 120. Okay, I have to wait again. 138, 120. Okay, 145. It's good that it's only a little more than 500 meters to go. Okay, 120. It's a budget then. Yeah, I continue this one, even though it's flat. And once again, you can see it's also down. I'm at 145 while waiting for the post to descend a bit to take a quick look at the waterfall here. And it's definitely steep. I'll wait until 120. Yep. $144. Okay, not too bad. 134. Yeah, 120. Let's just see. It continues on. Awful. To get up. Okay, 153. Not a lot left now. Remember correct. It's only one uphill. Last one. We are waiting for the post to go down. And look at this waterfall. 120. Oh, that's finally at the top. 140, 49, 150.